Hello friends, today we will learn C language program, the basic C programming language. First of all, we will learn how to create a C programming language in a Turbo C++ compiler. Here we have opened this TC compiler. Go to the file menu, open new tab. Here the new file is opened. Here we can write our C program. C is a programming language. You all know that C is a case sensitive language. Whatever we write in a small, we have to write in a small, and when we write in capital, the meaning is totally changed. So the word written in small and another written in capital, both are different, even the word is same. So we have to write a program in a syntactical manner. First we write hash include stdio.h. This is the first statement of our C programming language. As when we use any of the function in any programming language, we have to use header file related to that, as the function's prototype or definition is stored in any of the header file. So header file is written in this manner. Here first symbol is hash. Hash is a preprocessor which pre-processed thing. After that include is written. Include means which includes the header file in the temporary memory, so that any of the function written in C programming language can use that header file. Header file is written in angular brackets. Angular bracket shows that the header file is stored in conventional directories. Conventional directories means where the TC has installed these libraries by default, that is automatically. And when we replace this angular bracket with double quotation mark, then it means that the header file is stored in the current directory where this program is stored. So the angular bracket and double quotation is differentiated in this manner in the basis of location. Here the header file is stdio.h. Dot represents the operator and h is the header. Stdio stands for standard input output. It means the basic operations of input output functions are stored in this header file. Here we will use printf scanf function. Printf means printing the statement and scanf means scanning or inputting the variables. Here another header file we will use is hash include conio.h. Conio.h is console input output dot header file. Console input output refers to the clear screen or getch function. Clear screen clears the previous output of the program, and getch holds the output screen, as getch characterizes the get character. This get character is done at the console. Void main. Here we usually used to write the main function and before that it is prefixed with void. Void is written because main is the function which is executed first in the program, and when main function is executed, it returns something by default, and it automatically returns integer value. When we do not want to return any of the value, we used to write void. It means we start the thing in the manner that with the curly braces open and curly brace close. Curly brace open means the body is started, and within these braces the body of the main is determined. Here we can write whatever we want to write in the main function. CLRS here, clear a screen first of all to clear the previous output. and get ch, so that the output screen can be hold by the cursor so that you can see the output. Otherwise you cannot see the output, as computer is very fast. When you compile and run the program, it will go to the output screen and quickly get back to the source program, and you will not get the output, as it will come and disappear. So to make it visible, we used write getch function. This getch function stands for get character. When we write clear screen, after that we can write any of the program what we want to do, like printf. Within the printf parenthesis, we can write whatever we want to write, as in double quotes, double quotation mark, we can write any of the thing like hello. And when we write hello in the double quotation mark, it is printed as it is. Like when we compile the program, go to compile, Alt F9 is the shortcut key. There is no error and no warning. It means there is no syntax error. Now we go to the run. Hello is printed as it is. It means that there is no logical and data error. When we click another key, it comes back to the screen. It means getch is working. Now what we conclude, that this printf function is stored in standard input output.h, and in this conio.h header file, these clrcr and this getch function is stored. When we remove this header file by commenting this 2 slashes, that is forward slashes, makes it comment and it is not executable. It means that it is removed, it is hidden from the program. And when it is hidden, some error must be there. Let's see. Yes, there's 2 errors. What are? Clear screen. This function clrs here should have a prototype and getch here should have a prototype. There are 2 errors because these clear screen and getch functions are included in this conio.h, so we must include this. So we remove these comments and make it visible. Now when we make it comment, now check it. There is 1 error. What it is? Printf should have a prototype, so printf is in stdio.h header file. Understood? It means that these 2 header files are necessary to compile the program. Now what we do, this void is removed. Let's check the program. There is one warning. There is one warning. If you want to see this, I compiled it. I have used the shortcut. There is one warning. And what's the warning? We must see. Function should return a value. Function should return a value. And the substitute is that we can return something. Return 0 because no output is there to return. So we return 0 because it returns an integer. Now see the output. There is 0 error, 0 warning. Let's check it. 0 error and 0 warning. So what we can do? We can remove this, or we can use white. Now check it. There is no error and no warning. So we can write either white, or we can write either this return. The same thing? No. there is, it's not same, but there is no error, no warning. Void has its own essence and return has its own use. When we want to return to some function, to something, some code, then we use return. When we do not want to return anything, then we use void. Okay, that's fine. And that's all to this basic program. Now we will do more in next lecture. So thank you.